Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you disable screen sharing notifications on your iPhone. We'll go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do is so you just click on settings here. Then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you click here on notifications here, just click on it. It's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you click here on screen sharing, just click on it. You come to next step here, then you come here to screen sharing. Click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean it's disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.